What's going on, guys? It's Hannah from Easy Messenger AI. And in this training, I want to show you how to set up the AI function with your Easy tool. So, just a quick recap about Easy Messenger. There are two functions to this tool. There's an automation function and there is an AI function. So, what that means is the automation will work independent of the AI. And that's things like sending out your friend requests, your intro messages, and your follow up messages. Those are all automated. You don't need AI to do those things, right? Where the AI comes into play is once somebody responds to one of your intro or follow up messages. When somebody responds to that, if you have AI, the AI will take care of the full conversation. It will prospect the lead and ultimately book them on your calendar or sell them whatever your product or service is through Messenger. If you don't have the AI, that just means whenever somebody responds to one of your messages, you would have to manually pick up that conversation and do it yourself. So, strongly recommend the AI, of course. It's awesome. It's going to save you a bazillion hours of time, but you don't have to do this. So, if you are just not interested in AI or you think it's going to take over the world or something, just don't use it if you don't want to. The other part of this is this process is relatively easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time to train your AI the way you want it. So if at any point you're like, I just don't feel like doing this, below this video, there is a done for you setup option where you can answer a few questions and then we configure it on the back end for you. So it's a pretty simple process and you can do the done for you option as well if you'd rather. So if that's something you want to do, just tap the link below and we'll give you more information on how to do that. Otherwise, let's go ahead and let's dig into how to set up your AI with Easy Messenger. Okay. So in the last training video where I showed you how to set up campaigns, you uploaded, or excuse me, you imported a JSON file. That JSON file brought in the campaigns, but it also brings in some AI responders. So the AI responders, these are kind of built in for you based off of that JSON file upload. And you have two of them. You have one for your business. So this will be an AI that's unique to your specific business, product, service, whatever you got going on. And we have another example, which is the Easy Messenger seller. So I was telling y'all before with Easy Messenger, we have the affiliate program. So whenever you use this, you can essentially use the Easy Messenger AI to sell Easy Messenger as an affiliate if that's what you choose to do. And so in this example, I'm going to kind of show you how the AI works. And the Easy Messenger seller is done based off of what we know works for selling Easy Messenger with Easy Messenger. And your business one is obviously empty. So I'm just going to kind of show you what a fully or almost fully built one looks like here. So basically, the first thing that it will have is your name. So you put your name in here. It's going to ask about your company. So you talk about your company. This is an example of what this says. So you can kind of see how we are responding and training the AI. It'll ask for your calendar link. So this is a calendar or a product link. So if your main goal or objective with the AI is to get a booked appointment, you would put your booked appointment link here. If your main goal or objective is to sell a digital product or service, you put whatever the link is to wherever you want your person to go here. You can call your AI whatever you want. So this example is Easy Messenger. And this one, it might be something like Hannah's Copilot, whatever you want to call it, right? You can choose the tonality. So I'm a very friendly person, so I would put friendly for mine. And then you can set your marketing goal. So your marketing goal is not like, hey, I want to book like 60 appointments. That's not it. Your marketing goal is like your marketing strategy for who you are. So, for example, this is a great example of something you might want to have in your marketing goal is to occasionally misspell words as you're messaging clients. The reason why you want to do that is because you want to seem human, right? And then you're kind of instructing it on what the purpose of the marketing is, what the purpose of the AI tool is. So you are selling Easy Messenger by booking appointments or providing the direct buy link. And it goes all through like what you what you want the AI to do here, right? And then we dig into FAQs. So whenever you're messaging somebody or having a conversation, what are those frequently asked questions that people typically ask about your product, your service, or whatever else? So compile whatever those frequently asked questions are and drop them here along with the answers. And anytime somebody asks that question or something similar to that question, the AI will be able to reference these FAQs to answer them and get them get them the support that they need. Okay. Then we have the products. So the products, this would essentially be like, are is it an actual product link? Like for this, is it you're trying to sell a specific product or a specific service and they go to that link and they pay for it? Is it a lead magnet, whatever that link is? Or is it to book a call? So whatever the situation is, you put it here. If it's for pay, you put the information about for pay. So like in this example, Easy Messenger is $97 per month. Or if it's a strategy session call, like a free consultation, you would put $0 and then you would put one time. Or if it's a lead magnet and it's a free lead magnet, you would put $0 one time. So that's kind of how the products work. Then we move on to qualifying questions. So these are the questions that the AI would actually ask throughout the conversation. And it's really interesting how the AI works with Easy Messenger. The AI, throughout every conversation it has, will actually grade a prospect on a scale of 1 to 10. And only when somebody reaches a 7 will the AI even think about trying to send them the information about the product. So somebody has to be relatively engaged and giving thoughtful and reasonable answers to our qualifying questions before we even offer a booked call or send them the link to get our product, right? So that's really cool about the qualifying questions is the tool isn't just going to send this to anybody and everybody who answers the questions. They have to actually meet a certain criteria of engagement and authenticity to even be offered whatever the solution is that you have, right? So this is how the AI is trained. This is like where you go to train it and make it sound like you and make it operate like you. And as you can see, again, this is for the Easy Messenger seller if you want to see kind of how we've trained it. But you can also do this for your own business and make it really custom to what you have to offer. Now let's talk about how to actually set it up. So this is just how to train it. Now we just need to integrate your AI. To integrate your AI and turn it on and make sure it's being used, all you need to do is go to the General tab. And from the General tab, you're going to enable AI. You're going to grab your Chat GPT AI token and you're going to set it up for GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay. So I'm going to show you if you're like, I don't know how to get my token or like, I don't know how to do that. I'm going to show you here in a moment how to do it. So no worries. First, I just want to talk about why we set it up this way and how much it's going to cost. You have to pay for your own usage with AI. So if you've never used AI, just a quick breakdown, you do have to pay for your own usage. I've seen for the accounts that I use, on average, every single account I have active and using, I'm spending between $20 and $30 per month on AI. So it's really, really cheap to use AI for messaging. Very, very, very cheap. So strongly recommend that you set this up because it is very cost effective and very just effective in general. The reason why we select 3.5, we do have other options available here. But if you are new to using GPT, if you've not used AI before, OpenAI will actually require you to start at 3.5 and then eventually you can go to a different one. Right now, we ideally prefer if it will let you do the GPT-4 Turbo, but 3.5 is very effective as well. 3.5 Turbo is very, very effective. And the way this works is if you want to start using it, if you're brand new, use 3.5 for about 2 weeks, and then you can just go ahead and try to upgrade to the 4 Turbo, and it should work for you. It's just this kind of weird thing that OpenAI has where they want to make sure that you're using the AI first before they allow you to access the higher levered variations of it. Now, that said, AI is rapidly just expanding and getting better and better and better. So below this video, I will have a reference that says this is what we currently recommend. Make sure to reference that below just in case this video is updated in like 24 hours from now if things change. So again, that's going to be right below this video. We will make sure to have that content available for you. All right, so now if you don't already have GPT, hang out on this video. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to integrate this, okay? Everybody else, if you already have GPT and you know how to get your AI token, set it up, do your thing, and then head over to the next video to see how this works and go from there. Let's go ahead and show you how now to set up your AI. So there's 2 more links below this. I've got a link that will take you to a billing overview page, and then I have a link that'll take you to an API page. So we're going to start with the billing overview page. This is just where you connect your credit card and you allow it to charge you at least $5 to connect. So I have it set up to where as soon as my account dips below $5, it automatically recharges me for $30. Again, I only spend about $20 to $30 per month per Easy Messenger account that I'm using. And I'm booking about 60 plus appointments every single month per Easy Messenger account. So it's totally worth it. So set that up, add your payment information. As soon as you set up your payment information, click the next link below to set up your API key. So again, your API key button will be below this video. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. All you need to do is create your security key. So I'm just going to create a test and you just create that secret key and you set it up there. So I'm going to delete this, of course, because I don't want somebody to grab it, but then you copy that key and then you would go over here and you would paste it in here. Let me go ahead and delete that real quick. Perfect. So you would add it there. So that way the AI is now fully integrated into your Easy Messenger account. And that is all there is to it. Again, if you are struggling with this and you need help, you have plenty of support functions. You can go to open office hours. You can click this little chat button. You can go to our Facebook group. You can do all of these different things. And then if you want to just have somebody do it for you because you just want to wash your hands of it, there's the button below where you can opt in for the done for you setup. Anyways, hope this makes sense, and I will see you in the next training video. Talk soon.